Hi, this is Andrew with RPS Solar Pumps, and I'm here today to show you a brand new product that we have for 2025 and 2026. Down on the ground behind me is the Solar Icebreaker Kit. This kit is designed for the small farmer or homeowner that has livestock on their property and is concerned about the freezing conditions and icing over inside their reservoirs. This kit is designed to aerate the water and provide drinkable water by agitating the water and preventing the ice formation on the surface. So come on over here and let's take a look. We'll dig into the enclosure and show you what kind of features are available and what it's going to do for you. All right, so when you receive your kit, it's going to come together pretty quickly. Included in the kit is 2 batteries and 2 solar panels that are going to ship separately. But when you receive the main enclosure, there's a couple items that are going to be part of the kit. First thing is going to be the cooling fan to maintain the temperature inside the enclosure during operation, as well as the compressor and 100-volt controller. A lot of the items in the Icebreaker kit come pre-installed, but if you have any questions about installation, give us a call at 888-637-4493. All right, so what we have here is a pretty typical installation of a solar Icebreaker kit. Here we have on the ground, protected from the livestock, is the solar icebreaker enclosure. This is where you're going to put your batteries. It's also housing the 100-volt controller and compressor. You're going to connect the weighted hose that comes with your kit to the compressor on the inside, and then you're going to make that connection to the diaphragm that's going to rest at the bottom of the tank. That diaphragm is going to be placed pretty close to wherever you think your animal prefers to drink inside the tank or reservoir. From there, we've got our 2 100-watt panels connected to our top of pole 2-panel mount. This is an option for the kit. It comes at an additional cost, but it is a very convenient option for those wanting to knock this out as quick as possible with as little aggravation. All right, so let's take a look inside the enclosure and show you the components and how they're going to work for you. We've got, of course, the solar panels on the top of pole mount, and that's going to be feeding power into the RPS controller and maintaining the charge on the batteries here. These are 2 55 amp hour batteries, and they're going to provide backup power to the system for about 45 hours from a full charge. The other components are the air compressor to pump air and agitate your reservoir or stock tanks. And then we have the 2 temperature sensors that are going to be sending information to the 100-volt controller to decide either to cool down the enclosure if it's getting too hot, or aerate and pump air into the reservoir if freezing conditions prevail. So the system works by pushing air through a weighted diaphragm at the bottom of your trough or reservoir. This is going to be located where your animal preferentially drinks or close to the edge. And what it's going to do is it's going to inflate. It's going to open up little pores on the diaphragm and allow air to push through. Those bubbles are going to push up. They're going to create this upwelling effect and agitation at the surface that is going to break the ice as it's forming on the surface and push it to the sides. So that was a quick demonstration of our solar icebreaker kit. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out and call us at 888-637-4493.